I would like to highlight some key points of the country like Suriname. Suriname is the country of South America. It's also the part of the West Indies or Caribbean region here, officially known as Republic of Suriname. Paramaribo is said to be the capital of Suriname. Unitary presidential parliamentary republic is being practiced in a country like Suriname. Surinamese dollar is the currency of the country like Suriname. Christianity is the main religion in the country of Suriname. Dutch is the official language of the country like Suriname. You want to know the flashback in the history of this country like Suriname here. Suriname covers the area of 165,940 square kilometers. About 632,638 people live in the country like Suriname. It is the part of this West Indies and Caribbean and South America here. So we did the flashback history of the first phase. The French, Dutch, English settlers came to the country like Suriname. In the course of time here, Suriname got independence from Kingdom of Netherlands, dated on 25 November in 1975. So the country's peoples depend on agriculture, fisheries and other resources. In the course of time here, but see the country of the finest beauty, natural resources here. Thank you very much for watching my videos.